Hi aspirants, welcome to aspirants class. In this video, I would like to discuss the preparation strategy for paper 3 of APPSC Group 2 examination. You all know that paper 3 deals with planning and economy of India and the state of Andhra Pradesh. In this paper, you will have 150 questions and each question carries 1 mark. If you take a look at the syllabus, paper 3 consists of 8 chapters. So the chapters are here as follows: Indian economy and present status, economic policies, resources and development, money, banking and public finance, national income, economic policies of Andhra Pradesh, agriculture and industrial growth of Andhra Pradesh, resource development of Andhra Pradesh. This is new syllabus announced by APPSC in the year 2018. The Group 2 examination held in the year 2019 is based on this syllabus. And I request you to go through the previous question paper where you can see all the questions. Please go through all the questions asked in the previous year examination. It will help you to understand the trend and standard of questions being asked in the exam. Now let us discuss the strategy. Here I am going to suggest you a 8 steps preparation strategy. Step 1. Take any good economy book and read all the fundamental concepts like GDP, NDP, per capita income, economic reforms, 5-year plans, industrial policies, agricultural policies, monetary policy, fiscal policy, taxation, balance of payments, etc. So these are the chapters which you can find in any good economic textbook. Once you're done with these chapters, now move to the second step, that is you have to read Union Budget 2020-21. So while reading Union Budget, you should make note of all the policies or schemes mentioned in the budget and also note down the allocations to different ministries and schemes. So in the budget, they have given the prominent themes like governance, ease of living, financial sector, aspirational India, economic development, caring society, and various structural reforms in governance. And they also talked about digital revolution and various schemes. Also, you have to note on all these schemes, policies, etc. mentioned in the budget. Here in the budget, you can also note down certain important points like here you can see India is the 5th largest economy in the world in terms of GDP. So these kind of questions they can ask. So once you're done with Union Budget, then the next step is you have to read Economic Survey 2019-20. Especially volume 2 of Economic Survey is highly important for the examination. You have to read all the chapters given in the Economic Survey volume 2. While reading Economic Survey, you will come across various terms, the key economic jargon. So while reading the survey, please note down all the important points given in each chapter. And there are certain terms like nominal GDP, real GDP, headline inflation, core inflation. consumer price index, capital expenditure, revenue expenditure, current account deficit. So while reading economic survey, under each chapter make a list of important points and then try to find out information on this kind of um, economic terms. So the next step is, once you're done with this union economic survey, then you have to move on to economy related current affairs. So follow any good economic newspapers like Business Standard, Business Line, Mint, Economic Times, Financial Express. Any one is good. Follow any one economic related daily. Read good economic articles and jot down important points from that article. For example, recently in newspaper there was an article, finance minister reviewed on bank merger preparedness. So if you read this article, you will understand that Punjab National Bank, United Bank of India, Oriental Bank of Congress combined into one, and Canara Bank is merged with Syndicate Bank. Andhra Bank and Corporation Bank merged with Union Bank of India, whereas Indian Bank subsumed Allahabad Bank. And with this amalgamation of public sector banks, at present we have 12 public sector banks. So in the examination, they will ask this kind of questions like, at present, the number of public sector banks, or they can ask you with which bank Andhra Bank was merged with. So just try to make a list of economic related articles and make note of information given in those articles. After this step, so with this you're done with Indian economy. And from step 5, you have to deal with Andhra Pradesh economy. So whatever in the step 5, you have to read Andhra Pradesh state budget. Whatever you've done with union budget, similarly, you have to make note of all the policies mentioned in the budget document and try to find out the allocations for each schemes or programs, and also stress on the government's Navaratnas. Once you're done with the state budget, then you have to read socio-economic survey of Andhra Pradesh. This is also highly important document for the examination. You have to read all the chapters given in this survey. Whatever you've done with Union Economic Survey, in the same way, read each chapter and try to make note of all the important points, and also try to find out the information on key terms. And after doing the Andhra Pradesh state budget and socio-economic survey of Andhra Pradesh, now it's time to cover topic-wise. So what I mean by topic-wise coverage, for example, you can take unit number 4. The unit number 4 is money, banking, and public finance, where the first topic here in this unit is monetary policy of RBI. So take this topic and try to read all the subtopics that come under this one topic. So if you cover each topic in this way, this will give you good advantage in the examination. And final step is you have to practice as many more multiple choice questions as possible. So this is the 8-step preparation strategy for paper 3 of APPSC Group 2 examination. If you like this video, please share with others, and please do subscribe to our channel. And you can download this